Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you love peanut butter cups, but you are trying to keep sugar low in your diet and you're just trying to keep things nice and simple when it comes to ingredients? You've got to check out these dark chocolate peanut butter cups by Unreal.
First of all, that individually wrapped size I think is perfect for a fun little treat. Look how beautiful that dark chocolate is. It's a traditional looking peanut butter cup. Oh my goodness though, is this so good? I really just think this is my favorite peanut butter cup. It's so simple, just 2 ingredients. It has dark chocolate and it has creamy peanut butter inside. What more could I possibly ask for? This is my go-to when I need a delicious treat.
If you love dark chocolate and you love peanut butter cups, you have got to check these out. They are so good. I think that's why they call them Unreal, because it doesn't seem like it could possibly taste that good with such simple ingredients. But that's the beauty of it. Cannot rave about them enough, but that's just my point of view.